Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support us with your like and subscription to our channel. In part 2 of our guide on replacing your car's door lock actuator, we'll cover the installation of the new actuator and the reassembly process. If you followed along with part 1, you're ready to finish the job. Let's get right into it. Replacing the car door lock relay. Car door lock relays are crucial components that ensure your vehicle's security system functions properly. If you need to replace a faulty car door lock relay, follow these steps to get the job done efficiently. Identifying the correct replacement relay. 1. Consult your vehicle manual. Begin by referring to your vehicle's manual to identify the specific type of car door lock relay needed for replacement. This will ensure compatibility and optimal performance. 2. Check with your mechanic or dealership. If you're unsure about the correct replacement relay for your car, consider seeking advice from a mechanic or contacting your vehicle's dealership for guidance. Removing the faulty relay. 1. Locate the old relay. The car door lock relay is typically located in the fuse box or under the dashboard. Use a flashlight if necessary to aid in locating the faulty relay. 2. Disconnect the battery. Before removing the faulty relay, disconnect the car's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. 3. Remove the old relay. Carefully detach the old relay by gently pulling it out of its socket. Take note of its position to ensure the new relay is installed correctly. Installing the new car door lock relay. 1. Position the new relay. Take the new car door lock relay and align it with the socket in the same orientation as the old relay was removed. 2. Secure the new relay. Press the new relay firmly into place to ensure a proper connection. You should feel a slight click when the relay is securely installed. 3. Reconnect the battery. Once the new relay is in place, reconnect the car's battery to restore power to the vehicle. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently replace your car door lock relay and maintain the security of your vehicle. Remember to test the new relay to ensure it is functioning correctly before relying on your car's door lock system. Testing the new relay and lock system. After installing the new car door lock relay, it's crucial to test its functionality to ensure it operates correctly. Testing the locking and unlocking functionality and verifying the absence of clicking sounds will help you determine if the replacement was successful. Testing the locking and unlocking functionality. To test the locking and unlocking functionality of the new relay and lock system, start by operating the door locks using both the key fob and the manual lock/unlock buttons inside the vehicle. Listen for any unusual sounds and pay attention to how the locks respond. Ensure that the door locks engage and disengage smoothly without any delays or sticking. Test each door individually to confirm that the new relay is functioning correctly across all doors. Verifying the absence of clicking sounds. Another important aspect of testing the new relay and lock system is verifying the absence of clicking sounds. Clicking sounds when operating the door locks can indicate underlying issues with the relay or lock mechanism. After testing the locking and unlocking functionality, listen carefully for any clicking noises as you engage and disengage the locks. If you hear any clicking sounds, it may be a sign of a misaligned or malfunctioning component that requires further inspection. By thoroughly testing the locking and unlocking functionality and ensuring the absence of clicking sounds, you can confidently determine if the new car door lock relay replacement has been successful. Conducting these tests will help you identify any potential issues early on and address them promptly to maintain the security and convenience of your vehicle's locking system. Maintenance tips to prevent future issues. Taking care of your car door lock relay can save you time and money in the long run. By following some simple maintenance tips, you can prevent future issues and ensure that your car's door lock system works smoothly. Regularly check and clean the door lock relay. Regular inspection of the door lock relay is crucial to prevent any potential problems. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate over time, causing the relay to malfunction. To avoid this, make it a habit to check the relay regularly and clean it if necessary. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any buildup that could interfere with the relay's performance. Keep water and moisture away from the relay. Water and moisture are the enemies of electrical components like the door lock relay. To prevent moisture-related issues, make sure the relay is properly sealed and protected from water exposure. Inspect the surrounding area for any signs of water ingress and address them promptly. Additionally, avoid spilling liquids near the relay and ensure that it remains dry at all times. By following these maintenance tips and keeping your car door lock relay in good condition, you can extend its lifespan and reduce the risk of future problems. Taking proactive steps to care for your vehicle's components can go a long way in ensuring a hassle-free driving experience. Replacing a car door lock relay is a task that can save you time and money. It's simpler than many people think and can be done with some basic tools. Keep your vehicle secure and functional by addressing door lock issues promptly. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, a little effort here goes a long way. Don't hesitate to tackle this repair. Your car will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.